Do you want to create a faceless YouTube channel? If the answer is yes, then I have an amazing AI tool for you, and I have tested it personally, and the results were mind-boggling. You can make motivational quotes videos, history-related videos, news, and celebrity-related videos on any topic you desire. And the best thing is, you just have to put a prompt. Don't worry, it can be done in just one word or sentence. In example, if I want to generate a video on Oppenheimer's famous quote, then I will simply put this, a quote by Oppenheimer. That's it. Now it will generate your video in a few seconds. It generates the whole video with AI-generated background script and captions even highlighted. Voiceover. Not only that, even it also generates keywords and hashtags along with titles and descriptions for YouTube and Instagram short-form videos in just one click. And the best thing is, it is free, and you can download multiple videos simultaneously. What tool is it? Before that, know this one issue of that tool: you can only generate 10 videos per month, and it renews every month. The tool is known as waxo.tech, where you can easily register yourself and create your faceless YouTube channel.